Today we have to solve the pair of linear equations, that is the word problems of pair of linear equations in two variables. Our first example is that four chairs and three tables cost rupees 2100 and five chairs and two tables cost rupees 1750. Find the cost of chair and the table separately. Means we have to find the cost of one table as well as one chair. Now we have to solve here. Let the cost of the one chair be x, rupees x, and that of the one table be rupees y. Means cost of one chair is rupees x and cost of one table be rupees y. Then according to our first condition, which is given in the example, that is four chairs and three tables. If cost of one chair is x rupees, then cost of four chair must be 4x. If cost of one table is rupees y, then cost of three tables must be 3y. In this way, we can write the equation, that is 4x plus 3y is equal to 2100. Now, by second condition, it is given that the cost of five chairs and two tables is total cost is 1750 rupees, and therefore we can write 4x plus 3y 5x plus 2y is equal to 1750 rupees, and that is equation number 2. While solving the linear equations, here coefficient of x or coefficient of y should be equal. Here, to make the coefficient of y equal, here multiply equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 3, then we get here 2 4 ja 8, 2 3 ja 6, so 6y, so 8x plus 6y is equal to 21 into 2, it will be 4200. And now equation 2 is multiplied by 3, so 3 5s are 15x plus 3 into 2y, it will be 6y, and 1750 into 3, it will be 5250. Here we have to, since coefficient of y becomes equal but their signs are also equal, and therefore we have to subtract these two equations. Means after subtracting, we have to change the signs of the second equation. Means 15x becomes minus 15x, plus 6y becomes minus 6y, and plus 5250 becomes minus 5250. And now here 6y will get cancelled, then we will get here plus 8x and minus 15x. The subtraction will be minus 7x, and the subtraction of 4200 minus 5250, it will be minus 1050. And now here both, means minus 7x is equal to minus 1050, we can write both the signs positive, and therefore 7x is equal to 1050, that is x is equal to 1050 divided by 7. In this way we get x is equal to 150. Now put x is equal to 150 in equation number 1. Here equation number 1 is 4x plus 3y is equal to 2100. After substituting this value, we will get 4 into x is 150, so 4 into 150 plus 3y is equal to 2100. In this way we get 3y is equal to 2100 minus 600, because 150 into 4 it will be 600, and in this way we get 3y is equal to 1500, or y is equal to 1500 upon 3, and therefore y is equal to 500. Therefore here x is the cost of chair and y is the cost of table, and therefore cost of one chair is equal to rupees 150 and cost of one table is rupees 500. In this way we have solved this example, and now we will see the second word problem which is given here. That is, here it is given that sum of two numbers is 35 and their difference is 13. Find the numbers. Means if the sum of the two numbers is given 35 and the difference of the same numbers is 13, then find the numbers. Let x and y be the two numbers. We don't know the numbers, so we have assumed x and y. So let x and y be the two numbers, and therefore by first condition, means it is given that the sum of the two numbers is 35, and therefore x plus y is equal to 35, equation number 1. Now by second condition it is given that their difference is 13. Difference means subtraction, so x minus y is equal to 13, and that is equation number 2. Here if we add these two, equation 1 and 2, means x plus y is equal to 35 plus x minus y is equal to 13. Here both the both the y will get cancelled, means y will get cancelled. Here x plus x is equal to 2x and 2x is equal to 48, and therefore x is equal to 48 upon 2, which gives x is equal to 24. In this way we have find the first number, which is 24. Now put x is equal to 24 in any one of the equation. So we have put the value of x is equal to 24 in equation 1, that is in x plus y is equal to 35. We get here x is 24, so 24 plus y is equal to 35, implies y is equal to 35 minus 24. In this way y is equal to 11, and therefore the required two numbers are 24 and 11. It is seen that 24 plus 11 we get 35, and 24 minus 11 we get 13. In this way we have find the required two numbers. Now here we have one more example to see here, that is the sum of two digit number and the number formed by interchanging its digit is 110. If 10 is subtracted from the first number, the new number is 4 more than 5 times the sum of the digits in the first number. So find the first number. So which was our first number we have to find. Here the number is two digit number, means here we don't know the two digits, so we have assumed here x and y. So let x and y be the digits at unit place and tens place respectively, means here x is unit place digit and y is tens place digit. Then we can write two digit number as 10y plus x. So our two digit number, it will be 10y plus x. Now we have to interchange the digits, means we have to replace y by x and x by y. Then our new number, means two digit number, means number formed by interchanging the digits, it will be 10x plus y. Now by first condition it is given that the sum of the two digits, our two digit number is 10y plus x, and plus means the number formed by interchanging, that is 10x plus y. So 10y plus x plus 10x plus y, and the sum is 110. Here 10y plus y, that is equal to 11y, and x plus 10x, it will be 11x. So 11x plus 11y is equal to 110. Taking 11 as a common, we get 11 into bracket x plus y, and that is equal to 110. Here 11 is multiplying to bracket, it will divide. So x plus y is equal to 110 upon 11. It implies x plus y is equal to 10, and that is our equation number 1. Now by second condition, it is given that if 10 is subtracted from the first number, our first number is 10y plus x, and now we have to subtract 10 minus 10, then we get new number is 4 more. For more we have to write plus sign. 4 more than 5 times the sum of the digits. Here sum of the digit, the two digits are x and y. Sum of the digits means x plus y, and it's 5 times means we have to multiply the bracket by 5. Now we will get here, after multiplying the bracket by 5, we will get here 10y plus x minus 10 as it is equal to, here 5 into x, it will be 5x, plus 5 into y, 5y, and plus 4 as it is. Now 5x plus x will become minus x, so 5x minus x, plus 5 as it is, 5y is as it is. Now plus 10y will become minus 10y. Here minus 10 as it is, and plus 4 is taken to then transform, then it will become minus 4. In this way 5x minus x, it will be 4x, then 5x minus 10y, it will be minus 5y, and minus 10x and minus 4, it will be minus 14. So that is our equation number 2. Here our equation 1 is x plus y is equal to 10. Now to equalize the coefficients of y, here we have to multiply equation 1 by 5, then we will get 5x plus 5y is equal to 5 tens are 50. So that is equation number 3. Now adding equation 3 and 2, we get here our equation 3 is 5x plus 5y is equal to 50, and equation 2 is 4x minus 5y is equal to minus 15. Here plus 5y and minus 5y will get cancelled, and therefore we will get 5x plus 4y, that is 9x. 9x is equal to 50 minus 14, it will be 36, and therefore this implies x is equal to 36 upon 9, and therefore x is equal to 4. Now to find the value of y, put x is equal to 4 in equation number 1, then we get x plus y, that is our equation 1 is x plus y is equal to 10. Now put x is equal to 4, 4 plus y is equal to 10. So y is equal to, we will get 10 minus 4, and therefore y is equal to 6. Now we have to find our 2-digit number. Now we have 2-digit number 10y plus x here. So 2-digit number 10y plus x, substituting the values of y and x, that is 10 into 6 plus 4, 10 6 are 60 plus 4, that is 64. In this way our required 2-digit number is a 64.